On a quiet monsoon morning, in a peaceful village surrounded by rain and blooming gardens, a young girl named Maya begins her day. What a beautiful morning. The rain is still dancing. After the night's rain, the garden was full of fresh gifts from nature. These tomatoes look perfect today.
Oh, the storm is getting stronger. I should hurry home.
Before cooking, Maya carefully washed every vegetable with the fresh rainwater.
Fresh vegetables always make the best meal.
As the storm grew louder outside, warmth filled the little kitchen. The rain sounds so peaceful today. The simplest meals often bring the greatest comfort.
This is my favorite kind of day.
In a world that moves too fast, happiness can still be found in the simplest moments. A rainy morning, a garden harvest, and a meal made with love.